All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. Let me see which one this is. This is a 2009 Ducati 1100 Hypermotard. So I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you lost your key to your Ducati. So basically, this what needs to happen if I'm going to do it. You need to send me a dashboard cluster. You need to send me an ignition lock like this customer did. So my plan of action basically going to be is I'm going to decode the lock. I don't change nothing. So it'll be the same key. So, you know, if all the locks on the bike are the same, this key will work the seat. And you have another lock, gas cap, whatever, it'll work that. So what I do is I go out, decode the lock. I figure out the exact cuts. I take some key blanks. I cut those cuts onto the key. I make sure it's turning nice and smooth. Then I go to phase 2, which is programming the chip data into the dash. That way your bike will recognize the key and start. So I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Let me give you a little fact about me. I've been making lost key replacements from scratch since 1990, just in case you was wondering. These keys are now cut from scratch. I decoded the lock. I programmed the chips. So you go on, off, lock the steering bolt, park, out. So basically, at this point, this is all plug and play. So if you want to know about the mail-in services, give me a call. But I can tell you, 1, it's going to save you money versus the dealer. 2, there's no waiting weeks. 3, you don't have to tow it. You don't have to go to the dealer, prepay for parts, and wonder when you're going to get it, stuff like that. It could be weeks, could be months, who knows. It might be in the States, it might be in Italy, whatever. But if you're trying to get your Ducati back on the road, give me a call. I'll tell you what it's going to cost, how much time I need to deal with it, and what to send me. As usual, I appreciate y'all. Oh, yeah. For those of you that call me and wonder why people in your area can't do this, here's a couple logical reasons. 1, they may not get enough calls to do this type of work, so it's just not going to make sense for them to buy equipment. And that's usually the gist right there. But again, you need my help, go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com, or give me a call. Keep in mind, I'm not a mechanic. My jam is the keys. That's what I do. I make lost keys replacement, do the programming. I don't troubleshoot bikes. I don't deal with electrical issues and all that kind of stuff. You need a motorcycle mechanic for that. I appreciate y'all for watching. If you like my videos, like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.